everyone, how you doing? Travis here, alongside Travis, hello, blooper reel. Hello everybody, how are you? Travis here, alongside Samantha and Jazzy. Welcome.
And he's a boxing
to Munchpak. How the heck are you guys?
I hope you give us some really good stuff.
Munchpak is a little late this month due to the
and I like the
taxes and everything. So, but I was oh my goodness, I can't talk today. All right, let's get it started here. Every month you do get a booklet going over everything that's in the Munchpak box. So,
I know
we're gonna save that for last. That sounds very hot. Let's start with this. There's not a single word in English. That's amazing.
This will be your basic.
I don't even know what the heck this is. Crown Ching Zhang from South Korea.
Oh, he speaks Japanese now.
Oh. That's as racist as I get, I promise. I don't even know what flavor this is. It looks like it might be honey.
It looks like it might be
at least according to the package.
It looks like it might be barbecue.
I don't think it could be a honey barbecue. Can't even get the dang package open.
Oh my gosh.
The struggle is real, people. The struggle is real.
I almost got it.
Okay. Oh, these look awesome.
These look like good honeycombs with bees on it. I'm just gonna
try a small one.
I'm just gonna take the black wings off.
It looks like a churro.
I'm just gonna take the black wings off because the black wings don't look good at all.
Jazzy's on his frame. Not bad. Actually, that's pretty dang good.
That's good. Hey, mushroom soup. Okay? Fill up all your sushi.
Yeah, there is a churro. Cinnamon churro.
I don't think it's cinnamon. It does taste like a churro a little bit. Yeah.
We're saving this thing for last.
What is that?
Let's do that one next. Do that one next.
No, that one's for last. Definitely.
Ooh, watermelon slices. Let's do that next.
Okay, fine. Ooh, those are for really last. I have assuming Jazzy will like these very, very much. Comment down below if you want him. He always chooses me.
Nobody wants me. Let's see. The doll of watermelon slices from Spain.
They can't even see me. What's wrong with this camera? Yeah, that's good.
There we go. Okay. Watermelon slices. Let's open it.
Here's yours.
Have time. Wait for me. Please.
What's the magic word?
I said please.
No, there's another word. Something of... Say it.
Camera. Oh my goodness.
Eat it!
Try and get a thumbnail going there.
Pretty good.
Not bad.
No, not bad. Guess what? Now I like watermelon. I love watermelon.
Chick Shack. Everything flavored snacks.
Chick Chat.
Chick Shack.
You know what these
Sounds
look
like
like?
Shake Shack.
You know what these look like? They look like those you know those the curly things. They look like
They look like those barbecue Frito things.
Yeah, that.
Okay, so this is from Israel.
It does not smell good at all, but I think it will smell. And then just.
Looks like it might be like an everything bagel. Not quite sure.
It's good.
It's good. It tastes a lot like those Fritos. That's gonna kill me, so we're gonna hold on to that.
Now it's time to see me. How do we work this? Now it's fine.
Okay, so
No,
this one looks good.
It's Jesse's turn.
Okay.
And then it's Uncle's turn.
That's good. I eating just the candy.
Hi, I'm always excited for these videos.
Is it not working?
Not working.
Okay, this one looks really good, so we're gonna do this one.
It's Jesse's turn to choose.
He doesn't want to choose.
Choose.
You want to shoot these ones? What is that?
That is. What is that?
It sounds like
It's Oreos.
Oreo cookie. What?
Nope.
No, it's
Nusita.
It's Oreos.
Neapolitan cookies.
It's Oreos with strawberry filling, and the top is melted chocolate.
Neapolitan. So it's strawberry, chocolate, and vanilla.
We had that before, I think.
Oh,
Oh, look at that.
those.
Tell me that does not look good.
That's cookie.
Actually, that does look really good.
Chocolate cookie with chocolate.
Look at the inside. Look at that. That's amazing. She might.
Oh yeah, that's yeah.
Hey,
Chocolate
no one said I can have some.
strawberry.
Where's mine? I think you didn't give me the hat.
Yeah, eating my Oreo cookie, strawberry chocolate. Yeah, it's good.
That's pretty good. So let's go with this one next.
No, Uncle turn.
There's only one word in English. It's okay, Sam.
Okay. You choose this one.
Crown Maichu apple from South Korea. Oh, so this is a Maichu. Maichu? So I'm guessing this is an off-brand of
Wait,
Maichu.
give me that book again. Give me that book.
It looks a lot like Haichu. So I'm thinking it might be their competitors.
Guys, next time you give us Munchpak, you give us this. Okay? Okay.
So yep, it looks exactly like Haichu.
Oh. I want one.
That tastes legit like an apple.
It is. Tastes like apple.
Yeah, that is really. Might have a new favorite right here. That's good.
It tastes like normal apple.
How about we choose this honey?
It tastes like apple juice.
Double Dutch, honey vanilla flavor.
It literally tastes like. Okay, stuck in my chew.
Tastes what? Like
Yeah, it's got filling in it, so it's kind of like an Oreo. No, not an Oreo, but it's got.
Open it.
Where's it from? Anyways? What have I got?
Okay, that looks so good.
Ah, from Canada. All right.
No,
Should break break it open already?
Yeah, I took a big bite.
Now these are very chewy. Just to warn you, if you guys ever get these,
Guys, these are really skinny.
they're chewy. They're sticky.
They're skinny.
Actually, this one's really good. Everybody's in the video today. Look, there's Sasha, Jazzy, me, Sammy. To my right is my brother-in-law Freddie.
Dude.
That's a lot of honey.
You have a
Look
cat.
at this cat's licking my hair.
Very sweet. Very sweet.
Top of my dad.
That's a lot of honey.
Now my turn to choose.
I don't need no honey because I'm ready. Too sweet to eat honey.
We're saying that for last. You're not gonna like that. That's gonna be extremely hot.
That's the best one.
Evil Eye. No, I'm gonna save that for last.
Probably the best one right here.
Yeah, those are pretty good.
I just really want to try these bad. They look so good.
Okay, let's try that. What is that?
Like feeding on it.
It's coffee. It's those sticks. You know what are the sticks called?
Pepero.
I want the honey.
New chocolate. That's South Korea. A delicious creamy cookie stick
Okay.
with filled creamy chocolate with chocolate on the
I'm having
inside.
more one.
It is a mess-free way to enjoy yummy, tasty chocolate.
That means this have a little bite on it. A little tiny bite. Broke.
Now, that's what I call a close encounter.
Oh, good.
Little dry on the outside.
Uncle, I made fun of my face.
It's a little dry on the outside. Tastes a little bit like Nutella. Not bad. Okay, let's do.
Yeah. No, that's for last. That's for last. That's the last.
Okay. We got some blue extreme sour rope thing coming up here.
This doesn't smell that good, but I
Brit-
bet you.
Fritzy Extreme Z blue raspberry or strawberry from Thailand.
Now he's starting with the chips.
Those are very hot ones. I don't think you're gonna like them. Not very many salty snacks in this one this time.
You can serve. I don't think Jesse might like it. Look at those. I like it.
Oh, no.
You make a lot of sour things. Just to say. I get
That's more sweet than sour.
My tongue is blue already.
I've tasted things like this that are more sour.
These are actually kind of hard.
Look good. Not very sour.
Take a whole thing, This is for Uncle, and this is for Uncle, and
We're gonna save that. We're gonna save that for last because I
Daddy?
might die from that.
no, this is for very last.
Tell you what, you two open that one. Us two are gonna enjoy New Orleans kettle style Evil Eye.
So Jesse. And
Find this brand anywhere, I think.
I don't know how to read still.
Yep,
But-
made in the United States.
Me and Jesse are gonna eat
What do you
these
got? Yummy gummy silly straws from Turkey.
turkey.
Turkey, gobble gobble. Thanksgiving.
Jesse, how about you come over here on my side?
Okay, first of all, look at that.
Which color?
Oh my gosh. It doesn't smell too bad.
I'm gonna take a red. Not sour. Not sour. No.
Not much flavor to that.
So good. I'm not stopped you when you dislike legend.
There's a different one. Same brand, but a different flavor.
It's not fast.
Can't think of what it is, but I've had worse.
It's not fast.
Alright, let's finish off with a lemon filled. That's soft.
That's it for today's video, so bye bye.
It's good.
Blueberry?
I didn't try the chip. Where's the chip? You're not gonna like it, Josie. That's very, very spicy for us.
Alright.
It's a little bit spicy.
That's good.
Be careful, it's spicy.
Guys, this is where I'm going to sign off for today's video. Hope you enjoyed. If you're curious about getting your own Munchpak, just sign up right below. Link is in the description. Hope you guys enjoy. And we'll see you guys in the next
Peace.
video.
Peace. Bye.